Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Brian. We're with Grains and Taps, and today we'll be making one of our Moscato Wine Kits that you can get from our Home Brew Supply Store.
To make this wine kit at home, you'll need the following equipment: a 7.8 gallon primary fermenter and lid, a 6-gallon carboy, racking tube and tubing, an airlock and drilled stopper, a solid stopper, a mixing spoon, a hydrometer and test tube, a wine thief, a bottle filler, and about 30 750 milliliter wine bottles and corks. The first thing you'll want to do is clean and sanitize all the equipment you will be using. Next, you'll combine 8 cups or 2 liters of hot tap water and the bentonite provided in the kit. It is normal for bentonite to not fully dissolve in the water. Bentonite is a clarifying agent made from volcanic clay. Empty the contents of your juice bag into the fermenter. Rinse out the bag with water to ensure you get all your juice concentrate into the fermenter. Fill the fermenter up to the 6-gallon mark with water. If you're using this 7.8 gallon fermenter, the 6-gallon mark is the bottom ridge on the bucket. Stir to combine the juice base, water, and bentonite. Using a triple scale hydrometer, measure the starting gravity of your juice base. Gravity measures the sugar content in your liquids, which will then be converted into alcohol by the yeast. Our starting gravity today was 1068. Sprinkle the dry yeast on top of your juice base. Make sure to get all the goodies out of the bottom of the bag. Place a loose-fitting lid on your primary fermenter. Last, affix your airlock. The juice base will sit for the next 14 days to ferment. Make sure to keep your fermentation area warm at about 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching today. We hope you learned something. You can get this Moscato Wine Kit and a variety of other wine kits at our Home Brew Supply Store.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Hi, it's me again. We are so excited about this video that we forgot to mention this is just a part 1 of a winemaking series. So join us here in about 2 weeks for part 2. Bye.